It might be the most famous jar in bathroom cabinets around the world. A simple, clear, jelly-like goo that claims to fix everything: burns, cuts, lips, skin, machinery, even the Statue of Liberty. But Vaseline wasn't invented in a fancy lab. It wasn't created by a chemist with a plan. It didn't even start out as something useful. It started as toxic black gunk clogging oil rigs. Today, we're uncovering the bizarre true history of Vaseline, how it was discovered, how it's made, and how a dangerous industrial waste became a household miracle. The strange history of Vaseline petroleum, the miracle goo that changed the world. The black sludge that started it all. Our story begins in 1859 in Titusville, Pennsylvania, the birthplace of the modern oil industry. Oil wells were new. The technology was experimental. And early oil drillers had one big problem. Their equipment kept getting jammed by something they called rod wax. Rod wax was a thick, dark, sticky mess of petroleum residue that collected on the drilling machinery. Workers hated it. It caused breakdowns, delays, and headaches. But one 22-year-old chemist, Robert Chesebro, saw something nobody else did. Where drillers saw a nuisance, he saw potential. He noticed something strange. When workers scraped off the rod wax, they used it as a quick fix for cuts and burns, and it seemed to help them heal faster. This caught Chesebro's attention, so he did the unthinkable. He took a chunk of the disgusting oil residue and brought it home. The crazy experiments that created Vaseline. Back in his lab, Chesebro began refining the material. He filtered it, he heated it, he purified it, over and over until the black sludge transformed into a silky golden jelly. But he still didn't know why it helped heal skin. So he tried it on himself. He burned his skin with acid, cut his arm, and applied his new petroleum jelly to test the results. The wounds healed faster. That was enough for him. Chesebro believed he had created a miracle product, one that could heal burns, treat cuts, moisturize skin, protect wounds from infection. He named it Vaseline, combining the German word for water, Wasser, and the Greek word for oil, eleon. But there was a problem. Nobody had heard of it. Nobody asked for it. Nobody cared. So Chesebro did something wild. The greatest salesman in skincare history. Imagine New York City in the 1870s. Street carts, crowds, markets, factories. And in the middle of it all, a man burning his arm in public. That man was Robert Chesebro. To promote Vaseline, he held live demonstrations where he injured himself, applied Vaseline, and showed the crowd how fast it healed. People were stunned. Demand exploded. Soon he went door to door, giving away free samples, something unheard of at the time. Women used it as a beauty product. Men used it for shaving. Doctors recommended it. Workers kept it in their toolkits. By 1872, Chesebro had patented Vaseline. Within a few years, he was producing 1,400 jars a day. By the end of his life, he claimed to eat a spoonful every single morning and lived to be 96. Vaseline wasn't just a product. It was a cultural phenomenon. But what is Vaseline actually made from? And how do we make it today? How Vaseline is really made. Despite the myths, Vaseline isn't just raw crude oil. It's a highly refined substance. Today, the process works like this. Extraction petroleum jelly begins as a natural byproduct of crude oil distillation. Separation, the heavy waxy components, called petroleum distillates, are isolated. Purification, this is the most important step. The jelly is filtered, deodorized, bleached, triple purified, vacuum distilled. Modern Vaseline meets pharmaceutical-grade purity standards, meaning it contains 0 harmful components of crude oil. Quality testing. Every batch is tested for melting point, viscosity, clarity, scent, purity. Packaging, only after testing is it poured into those iconic tubs and jars. In short, the stuff you're putting on your skin is not crude oil. It's a purified, medical-grade derivative, cleaner than many cosmetic oils. But purity isn't what made Vaseline a global staple. Its survival power is. The surprising uses you never knew. Over the last 150 years, Vaseline has been used for some absolutely wild things. To protect workers in mines and factories, its ability to lock out moisture and seal skin made it essential. To make early candles shine brighter, manufacturers added it to wax mixtures. As the world's first mass-market skincare product, women used it as lip balm, eye gloss, hair gel, and cold weather protection. On camera lenses, directors applied it to create soft focus effects in old Hollywood films. To protect the Statue of Liberty. Yes, early restoration crews used petroleum jelly to prevent oxidation. In medicine, doctors used it to seal wounds, to prevent infection, to protect newborn skin, to prevent frostbite, to remove rings and stuck metal parts. A small dab makes stuck objects glide off easily. Vaseline became a universal tool, not just a skincare product, but its cultural legacy is even more fascinating. The petroleum jelly revolution. By the 1900s, Vaseline was everywhere, but here's what's wild. It helped create the entire modern skincare industry. Before Vaseline, there were no moisturizers, no lip balms, no healing ointments, no hydrating creams. Vaseline proved a simple truth. People love products that feel like they work. Its texture, thick, smooth, protective, created an emotional connection. After Vaseline became a bestseller, companies rushed to create Nivea creams, lotions, balms, ointments, cold creams. Today, Vaseline is still sold in more than 100 countries, not because of marketing, but because of utility. A jar lasts forever, it's cheap, it works, and it's been doing its job for 150 years. The man who started it all, at the end of his life, Robert Chesbrough, didn't have a lab named after him, no Nobel Prize, no boardroom, no global skincare empire, just a jar of Vaseline, and millions of grateful users. When he died in 1933, he was buried in Queens, New York, with a jar of his creation placed into this coffin. The man who discovered a miracle in oil sludge kept his miracle with him until the end. Vaseline started as a useless residue, became a healing ointment, turned into a global product, and helped shape the modern skincare industry. Not bad for a jar of purified petroleum. If you enjoyed this story, like the video, it helps the channel grow. And subscribe for more fascinating histories behind everyday things. This is the history behind simple things. Thanks for watching.